The Shanoverseas Physiotherapy Machine is a state-of-the-art device designed to assist in physical rehabilitation and pain management. Engineered with advanced technology, this machine offers versatile treatment options that cater to a wide range of physiotherapy needs. Whether you're recovering from an injury, managing chronic pain, or enhancing mobility, the Shanoverseas Physiotherapy Machine provides effective and safe therapy solutions to help you regain strength and improve your quality of life. Specifications: power supply 2 and 20 volt 50 Hz. Display: digital LCD screen. Modes: multiple therapy modes including TENS, EMS, and ultrasound. Frequency range adjustable from 1 Hz to 100 Hz. Output channels: dual channel for simultaneous treatment. Timer: programmable session duration up to 60 minutes. Portability: compact and lightweight design for easy transportation. Safety features: overload protection, automatic shutoff, and patient lock function. Uses: pain relief. Effectively alleviates acute and chronic pain through electrical stimulation and ultrasound therapy. Muscle rehabilitation. Strengthens weakened muscles and aids in the recovery of muscle function. Mobility improvement. Enhances joint flexibility and mobility, particularly beneficial for post-surgical recovery. Circulation enhancement. Improves blood circulation, reducing swelling and promoting faster healing. Sports injury recovery. Ideal for treating sports-related injuries, including sprains,